In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create serial numbers in Airtable. Airtable is a versatile platform that combines the features of a database and a spreadsheet, making it an excellent tool for organizing all kinds of data. Adding serial numbers can be particularly useful for tracking items, managing inventory, or organizing a sequential list. Let's dive right in. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Airtable dashboard, where all your bases are displayed. It's from here that you can select the table you wish to work with. So, take a moment to look over your dashboard, scan through those bases, and find the one where you'd like to add serial numbers. Once you've identified your target, simply click on it. Doing this will bring up a detailed view of your chosen table, showcasing all its records and fields. It's like opening up a workbook to the page you need to start working on. Now, our main focus will be on adding a new field to this table. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Just direct your attention towards the right end of your table's header, and you will notice a plus sign marked as Add Field. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open a new prompt, giving you the chance to create a fresh field for your table. In this prompt, you'll want to search for Auto Number. This feature is key because it will automatically generate sequential numbers for you. After you've selected Auto Number, it's time to name this new field. When naming it, choose something intuitive, something that makes sense at a glance. For instance, Serial Number is a clear and simple choice. Naming it in this way will keep your data organized and easy to understand for anyone who might be viewing or managing the table later on. Lastly, once you've named your field, it's time to confirm your choices. Click the Create Field button, and voila! This will finalize the addition of your new auto number field to the table. Now each of your records will have a distinct serial number automatically assigned. This is a handy upgrade for your table as it simplifies tracking and organization immensely. There you have it. You've successfully created a serial number field in Airtable. By doing so, you've enhanced your data management strategy, providing a simple yet highly efficient way to keep everything in order. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy organizing! If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out more of our content on Airtable tips and tricks.